Hi Elmwood, welcome to my first experiment and the first experiment that you'll be doing together with me. So this one is going to be looking at the importance of hand washing. So all you need for this is a plate or a small dish filled up with water, some pepper, it doesn't matter what type of pepper, so I've got the peppercorns and then I've also got more of the powdered pepper, and then also some dishwashing liquid, and I've just prepared mine into a bowl already just to make it a bit easier. So step one, the first thing you need to do is just get your pepper and sprinkle it into the water, and be quite generous. The more you do, the easier it is to see. So there you can see I've dipped in my pepper into the water. So now as a kind of to see the difference, I'm going to dip my finger in. And as you can see, all the pepper has stuck to my finger. So if you imagine that the pepper is germs or bacteria, you can see how it sticks to my finger really easily. And now what I want you to do is pause this video, and I want you to do the same. And then I also want you to get a different finger and then dip it into the dishwashing liquid. And then when you dip it into the pepper, I want you to see what happens. So I'll give you a few seconds to pause the video and do that, and then I'll show you what happens on my end as well. All right, so I've just gone and washed my hands so that I can record and do this at the same time again. So hopefully you've done that now. So I'm going to do it. So I'm going to just kind of dip my finger into the dishwashing liquid, and let's see what happens when I dip it into the germs or into the pepper. Whoa. So as you can see, my finger is pretty clean. There's no pepper that I can see on there either. So what this is showing is that when you have soap on your fingers, or when you're washing your hands with soap, you can see how it kind of pushes away those germs and bacteria. If you would like to see the actual science behind it, you can just Google pepper detergent experiment, and that will give you a better understanding in more detail of why this happens. But that's a pretty cool way of showing how important it is to wash our hands, especially at this time of year, what's happening around the world as well. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I'm sure I'll have some other experiments that you can follow along at home as well. See ya.